Are you searching for dependable, budget-friendly survival tools that could save your life without breaking the bank? In this video, we are diving into 5 survival gadgets under $40 you actually need in your kit. Check out all the product links in the description below and let's get started with the video. Taking the first spot on our list is the LifeStraw Water Filter, an absolute must-have piece of equipment for any survival situation, bug-out bag, or emergency kit. Weighing a mere 0.04 kilograms, this ultra-lightweight microbiological purification system is constructed from high-quality bisphenol A-free plastic materials, ensuring your drinking water remains pure and safe without exposing you to harmful chemicals. When you are stranded in the wilderness, clean hydration is your single most critical priority, and this device delivers complete peace of mind. Its advanced microfiltration membrane works to eliminate 99.99999% of waterborne bacteria, including Escherichia coli and Salmonella, while filtering out 99.9999% of parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium. Furthermore, this gadget tackles environmental hazards by removing microplastics down to 1 micron in size and reducing water turbidity down to 0.2 microns. Every claim made by the manufacturer is verified through laboratory testing following protocols set by the United States Environmental Protection Agency, the National Sanitation Foundation, and the American Society for Testing and Materials. Despite its compact size, this filter boasts an exceptionally long lifetime, providing 4,000 liters or 1,000 gallons of safe drinking water over its life cycle. Beyond its survival capabilities, every purchase supports a global initiative that provides one child in need with safe drinking water for an entire school year. Taking the second spot is the FosPower Emergency Weather Radio, a highly reliable and versatile device engineered to keep you connected and safe during severe power outages or outdoor emergencies. Measuring 6.2 inches long by 2.1 inches wide by 2.9 inches high, this portable power system features a robust 7,400 milliwatt-hour or 2,000 milliamp-hour internal power bank, capable of delivering critical emergency electricity to mobile phones and small tablets via universal serial bus Type-C connectivity. To ensure continuous operation under any harsh conditions, the unit incorporates 3 distinct power sources: an integrated solar panel for daylight harvesting, a smooth hand crank lever for manual power generation, and standard AAA battery compatibility when natural recharging options are unavailable. These versatile power systems keep the internal radio, dual illumination sources, and distress signal fully operational when you need them most. For visibility in absolute darkness, the radio provides a powerful 1-watt light-emitting diode flashlight along with a 4-light-emitting diode reading lamp to keep your campsite or shelter well illuminated. Additionally, the integrated tuner technology connects seamlessly to amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and dedicated weather band channels, granting you direct access to up-to-the-second emergency broadcasts and critical weather forecasts provided by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Designed in a high-visibility orange style and backed by a limited lifetime warranty from the manufacturer, this survival tool provides complete peace of mind. Next on our list is the PTEROMY 150-piece Mini First Aid Kit, an insistible and comprehensive survival accessory carefully designed for total emergency preparedness. Housed in a striking red waterproof bag that is both remarkably compact and highly portable, this essential medical kit is loaded with critical medical supplies to effectively manage daily minor injuries, accidental burns, sudden cuts, severe scrapes, and unexpected wilderness incidents. Inside the organized interior, you'll find a thoughtfully selected variety of emergency care items, including flexible adhesive bandages, specialized burn dressings, antiseptic cleansing wipes, medical tourniquets, insulating thermal emergency blankets, trauma scissors, durable safety pins, triangular bandages, and various other crucial wound management supplies. Every single component contained within this home and outdoor trauma kit meets strict international manufacturing standards and holds global safety and quality certifications, ensuring that you receive reliable medical equipment when medical care is urgently needed. The light and compact design makes it exceptionally effortless to store inside your vehicle glove compartment, travel luggage, hiking backpack, outdoor boat, or home emergency storage cupboard. Additionally, the kit comes complete with a detailed instruction manual that provides clear step-by-step guidance on how to properly utilize each included component during high-stress situations. Whether you're embarking on outdoor adventures such as mountain climbing, trail hiking, camping, or boating, this first aid collection provides ultimate peace of mind. At number 4, the GIRIAITUS Survival Gear with Axe is a heavy-duty 16-in-1 multi-tool crafted from high-quality stainless steel, durable nylon, and solid wood components. Designed in a sleek black finish, this versatile emergency gadget combines 16 essential wilderness tools into one compact and ergonomic unit. The primary features include a sturdy tactical axe, a heavy hammer, a functional nail claw, pipe grip pliers, wire cutters, and precise needle nose pliers. For cutting and carving tasks, the tool incorporates a sharp primary knife, a wood saw, a serrated knife, and a durable metal file. Emergency maintenance is made effortless thanks to built-in flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, alongside a handy bottle opener for quick refreshment. To ensure maximum safety and survival readiness in remote conditions, this all-in-one equipment also features a high-decibel safety whistle and a reliable flint fire starter with magnesium rod ignition system to ignite campfires under challenging outdoor conditions. Built to withstand tough jobs such as hammering stakes, cutting cordage, tightening hardware, and fixing gear, this robust stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability during camping, hiking, or vehicle emergency situations. The multi-tool comes complete with a solid nylon carrying pouch designed with double protection for both the main tool and the sharp axe blade, allowing for safe and convenient belt or backpack transportation wherever your wilderness adventures take you. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the E-SHIDAI Solar Flashlight, an exceptional high-power illumination tool constructed from high-strength acrylamide tributene butadiene styrene engineering plastic and solid aluminum alloy materials. Featuring a fully enclosed explosion-proof structure with ingress protection X5 water resistance, dust-proof sealing, and shock-proof durability, this heavy-duty spotlight is engineered to withstand extreme outdoor conditions and severe weather emergencies. The device is powered by both clean solar energy and an internal rechargeable battery, utilizing an included USB charging cable or a 5-volt direct current charger adapter equipped with a built-in protection circuit board that automatically shuts off power once fully charged. At its core, a high-brightness light-emitting diode delivers an impressive maximum output of 1,000 lumens, projecting an intense beam up to 2,600 feet or 800 meters into total darkness. The dual lighting system features both a primary searchlight and secondary side floodlights, each offering 4 distinct operational modes, including stepless dimming for customized brightness adjustments, long-duration work lighting lasting up to 10 hours, and flashing emergency save-our-ship signaling functions. Designed with an ergonomic handheld grip that prevents hand fatigue during extended search and rescue operations, this multifunctional portable spotlight serves as a vital light source for marine vessels, vehicles, home power outages, hunting, and wilderness survival.